Yo, what is going on with y'all boys, man? In today's video, I'm going to go over all of the losses, all of the impulsive trades that I've taken today, and why I've taken them, and how I'm starting to reflect and see that this is not how you should be trading. So, what I want you guys to do is take notes from this. I'm being very transparent about my trades, not just showing straight winners, things of that nature. So, this first trade, as we get into it, we have this huge fall off coming into the New York Open on GC. So I'm anticipating longs to play out based off of these standard deviation levels I have drawn out. A this ain't even a trade setup. I'm just throwing up levels. I'm not even trading my setup. I'm literally just trading off a straight intuition and just hope. So I'm thinking that this 0.618 level is going to play out, and I'll go in with like half size or whatever the case may be. I get stopped out. So that's the first loss that we took. So then the second one, this was like a micro cycle type of entry here. So this was an A plus. I took this unnecessary loss beforehand right at market open, which set me up for failure within the next trade because I took an inevitable loss. That was straight impulse. And now as we come into this right here, we have this sequential SMT hidden with silver and the DXY. We draw out our standard deviation levels, wait for a retracement into IFVG, targeting. Since we have a micro cycle sequential SMT, we should only target internal liquidity, no external, because this is all lower time frame work and draws. So I was being greedy today, very, very much greedy, and I got hit with the greed hammer, whatever the case may be, and price started to fall off. Now, if we look at the higher time frame scale point, we could see that we could definitely see that we was chopping, and we can anticipate that we could move lower only due to this chop and this rejection of these candles and how they open and close. So then from there, that was the GC trades. Then, mind you, this is across like 4 or 5 accounts. And then we head over to the NQ. I'm trading this as well. So coming into the market open, I think I was trading the MNQ to start off. Yes, I was trading the MNQ to start off. And as I'm trading the MNQ to start off, I'm looking at anything that can push price higher. Only reason why I'm looking at price to go higher because we opened up, I think we took out London's areas in Asia. Okay, we took out London and Asia. So I'm looking for PA to target previous day highs. All right, so I'm looking at these longs. We had no sweep externally, so this was initially just a straight FOMO impulse trade just to try to get that itch off and things of that nature. But we did tap down that 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. power 3 starting to play out. And if I would have just anticipated my 10 a.m. power 3 model / entry, I would have taken this. But yeah, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But this would have been a solid entry for a trade because what do we have? I think we had a sequential right at this area. No, we did not have a sequential, so I wouldn't have taken this trade. This would have been an impulsive type of trade. Wait, let's check YM. I'm pretty sure there was some type of sequential that formed from here to here. Nope. From here to here. Nope. No 90-minute either. So now, since this is happening, I'm just looking at some type of continuation / FOMO entry, and I'm taking longs, and I got stopped out right here. This was this trade. I got stopped right here. I think we was going to break higher to target because it's IFVG, but we swept internal. Mind you, we need external liquidity to be swept to take an IFVG entry or to take any type of entry. So that's a user error on my end and things of that nature. I wasn't fully aware of higher time frame scales nor lower time frame scales, I was just hitting buttons trying to get a trade off and things of that nature. Then I jumped on the NQ and MNQ, went full tilt mode after those few losses, and then I tried to take this CISD here, mind you, this is a horrible entry. Horrible entry. So I took CISD levels here, had a 20-point stop loss, and I'm in on the NQ and MNQ at this time being, going full max allocations. Price runs down, stops me out, and then I was like, okay, well, that's just another user error day, and I gotta stop with these impulsive trades because how I trade is very unique and it is proven to give back what I put into the markets. And if you don't believe me, you can look at my other segment videos and things of that nature. You can follow up within the Discord. I'm just in this performative type of mentality because of like social media, XYZ, and it's like hard to shift my mentality from that. So from here to here, we have our 1 hour PO3 with a 90-minute sequential with IFVG entry. This is an A plus setup. This is an A plus setup. I'm not upset with myself, but I am disappointed that I'm actually trading like I'm a beginner and I'm trading for the money. So it's like I'm basically like contradicting my skill within trading because every time that I do take some type of entry criteria and it exploits my actual entry model, I, think that I can't trade, but that's not the case. But that's today's recap. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow or, whenever I upload again.